In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Alibaba for the year 2025 with a straightforward step-by-step guide. Whether you're updating your contact info or simply switching to a new email provider, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to Alibaba's official website at alibaba.com. Once you're there, make sure you are logged into your Alibaba account. This is important because all the next steps will be carried out from within your personal profile. Next, head over to your profile. You'll usually find your profile icon or the My Alibaba tab in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it and it should take you to your profile dashboard. From here, we can access all of our account settings. Now that you're in your profile, look for the option labeled Account. You'll typically find this in a menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Account and this will bring up your account details where you can manage various settings, including your email address. Once in the account settings, search for the Change Email Address option. You'll usually see this under the section where your current email is displayed. When you click on it, Alibaba will send a verification code to your existing email. This is a safety measure to ensure that it's really you requesting the changes. Now it's time to check your email inbox for that verification code from Alibaba. Once you find it, jot it down or simply keep the email open. Return to the Alibaba page and enter the verification code exactly as it's shown in your email. This step confirms your identity, giving Alibaba the green light to proceed with your request. After inputting the code, click on the Submit button. This action will prompt a form where you can enter your new email address. Carefully type in your new email address. Double check for any typos as accuracy is crucial here. Once you've entered the new email, Alibaba will instantly send another verification code to this new address. Check your new email for the verification email from Alibaba. Once you get the code, return to the Alibaba page and enter it in the provided field. After entering the code, hit Submit again to finalize the change. And that's it! You've successfully changed your email address on Alibaba. All future communications and notifications from Alibaba will be sent to your new email address. Remember, changing your email is handy for keeping your contact details up to date, ensuring you don't miss any important updates or offers. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Have a great day!